Hi there, I'm Beth and I'm here with a very quick video because I have got some Dolly mail. Now this has come from a lovely lady called Eileen Mully in the Highlands, so not too far from me here in Scotland, but she has very kindly sent me some Dolly mail which I'm going to open now. I've no idea what it is, so let's just see. It does look like dolly shaped Dolly mail, I have to say. So we could have a little person in here. Hello, hello. What's got in here? Oh my. It's exciting. Is this a Cindy? It is! Oh my goodness! Eileen, thank you so much! Oh my gosh! This is a vintage... Oh, and it's a ballet! Oh my goodness! So this is a vintage Cindy doll and a ballet dancer to boot. She's got her shoes. Now, I don't know a tremendous amount about the original Cindys. If you saw, I recently opened my first Cindy. I never had one as a child. And this was my very first Cindy doll that I opened, so I don't have a huge history with them. But we were talking, Eileen and I, and she was showing me some of her vintage dolls, and I commented that I really thought the ballet dolls were so elegant and they're so lovely, and I love this. Oh yes, this articulation at the neck. Oh, and she's got the rooted lashes and everything. She's absolutely gorgeous. Oh gosh, thank you so much, Eileen. That is so kind. Oh, she's got lovely, oh, she's so elegant, my little ballet poses. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm very excited to have her and so thrilled. Oh, she's got a little leotard and she's got proper fishnet stockings on. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, these shoes. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm just blown away. That's incredibly kind of you, Eileen. I'm just delighted. Oh, her waist as well. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll take some nice pictures of this lovely lady, perhaps paired with my other lovely Cindy to make a nice pair together. Gosh, I'm just blown away. That's so kind. Now, Eileen does have a Facebook group, which I will link in the video description as well. So go and check her out. She's very talented and has a lovely collection. So absolutely check her out. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.